Hello students, today we are going to study how to represent the given truth table or SOP or POS expression on a K-map. First, relation between truth table and K-map entries. That if that truth table is given, then first in that truth table A, B, Y. This is the truth table for the two variable. So there are the possibilities 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If two variables A and B in that truth table, then possibilities are 4, 2 raised to 2, 4. So if any truth table is given 0, 0, 0, 1, this is the truth table is given, then you have to think for this truth table which variable K-map structure is required. In which variable K-map structure is required. 2 variable is required, 3 variable or 4 variable. Here inputs are 2, so 2 raised to 2. Inputs are 2, so there is a required 2 variable structure. 2 variable structure, how many boxes are required? For 2 variable structure, there are the boxes are required 4. Boxes are required 4. That first. Here is the A input, here is a B input. Row and column we fill 0 and 1. So this B 0 is represented for that input B bar, and this is the B, this is the A bar, and this is the A. Then you have to, for this truth table, given truth table, you have to represent on this K-map, First is this 0, 0, A is 0, B is 0. So A is, this is a 0, 0, 0, 0, output Y is 0. So for that output logic is 0. 0, 1. For this 0, 1, where is 0, 1? A is 0 and B is 1, 0, 1. So output Y, corresponding input output Y is 0. So output is 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 input. A is 1, B is 0. For 1, 0 output corresponding input, that output is 0. So output is 0. 1, 1, 1, 1. A 1, B 1. So output is 1. Output is 1. So this is the, inside the boxes we have to enter the output of Y to different combination of A and B. Different combination of A and B. This inside the boxes you have to enter the values of Y. Enter the values of Y corresponding to different combinations of A and B. This is the representation of truth table on a K-map. This is the truth table. Here is the for two variable. If that truth table is A, B, C, output is Y. 0 inputs are 3, so combinations are 8. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 combinations from 0 to 7. Take output as it is 1, here is a 0, 0, here is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the output. This is the truth table is given. Then you have to think for this truth table which variable K-map is required. Which variable K-map structure is required. Inputs are 3. So there are the 3 variable K-map structure is required. In last lecture, 2 variable K-map structure, 3 variable K-map structure, 4 variable K-map structure you have to study. In that there are the only changes sequence of the different ways to construct that different K-map. Here only changes the inputs A and B. For this 3 variable, there is the required the 3 variable structure K-map. For 3 variable K-map structure, 2 raised to 3. So 3 variable K-map structure, 8 boxes are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For every boxes having their minterm or max term position. Minterm or max term position. So here is the input A, here is the input BC. 0, 1. This A as a 0 as a A bar, A, combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the B bar, C bar, this is the B bar, C, this is the BC, this is the B, C bar, B, C bar. 0 0 0 0 0 A0 B0 C0. Here is the A0 B0 C0. Output Y is 1, so here is we put 1. 0 0 1 output is 0. 0 0 1 output is 0. 0 1 0 output is 0. 0 1 0 output is 0. Corresponding input output we fill in on that K map. Next is 0 1 1 0 1 1 B and C are 1 1 0, A adds a 0, so 0 1 1 output is 1. Output is 1. Next is 1 0 0 1 0 0 output is 0, so output here 0. Next 1 0 1 A1 B0 C1 1 0 1 output is 1. Next 1 1 0 output is 0. This is the 0. Next 1 1 1 output is 1, so we fill here 1. That in this section we are going to learn how to represent the given truth table on a K-map. This is the representation of truth table on a K-map. This is the represent. If in that truth table there are the variables A, B, C, D and whatever that output fill on that K-map, and for that variable, if inputs are 4, then we have to think which variable K-map structure is required. 4 inputs, then 4 variable K-map structure is required, and in that 4 variable K-map structure there are the boxes are 16. This is the representation of truth table on a K-map. Next, representation of SOP expression on a SOP expression SOP expression on a SOP expression on a standard SOP expression on a K-map. Representation of standard SOP on SOP form on a K-map. This is the representation. So expression Y is equal to A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C, A B bar C bar plus A B C bar plus A B C. This expression is a standard SOP because in all variables all literals are present in a complemented and uncomplemented form. So this expression is in the standard SOP form. So in this expression how many variables are present? 1 2 3. 3 variables are present, A, B, C. So for this expression which variable K-map structure is required? 3 variable K-map structure is required. Which variable? 3 variable K-map structure. So there are the boxes are 8. 2 raised to 3 is a 8. Here is a A input, here is a BC. So here is a 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. This is a bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. This is the representation. For every boxes having the position of min term. So for this boxes position is a 0, here is a 1, here is a 3, here is a 2, here is a 4, 5, 7, 6. Every boxes having their min term position. And 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 in that expression A bar B bar C bar. This is a bar B bar C bar. A bar B bar C bar. Which min term is for this A bar B bar represent? That is a 0 0 0. So this is 0 0 0. So that min term position box for that boxes is a 0, that is a M0. But in that expression A bar B bar C bar is given. So for that term you have to put the logic as a 1. Put that logic 1. Next term A bar B bar C. A bar B bar C. Which min term? 0 0 1. 0 0 1 A bar B bar C, that is a logic 1 for that variable. Next term A B bar C bar. Which term that represent or min term is present? 1 0 0 1 0 0. That number is 4, so min term position is here 4, so that logic put here 1. Next number is A B C bar. A, B, C bar. A, B, C bar 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, that number is min term is 6. So M6 box here. For that A, B, C bar term, that term you have to put the logic 1. Put the logic 1. Next term A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C number is the 1, 1, 1. So here is the for that A, B, C term you have to put the logic 1. And here expression is given. That expression is a standard SOP expression. For that expression you have to put the logic 1 on a K-map for corresponding terms, for the corresponding term. And remaining boxes in the K-map you have to put the 0 logic. Put the 0 logic. Put the 0 logic. For that term you have to represent, you have to put the logic 1 and remaining boxes for 1. This is the representation of standard SOP form on a K-map. Standard SOP on a K-map. Next point, how to represent or represent the representation. This is the representation of the K-map technique. And in this K-map technique, how K-map reduction technique, for the Boolean expression, how do we simplify the Boolean expression, that is the combinations of groups on a K-map you have to study. How to combination of adjacent ones or adjacent boxes, and how to solve that K-map for the Boolean expression we have to see. In this first, this is the box, this is the one K-map. For the example, this is the 3 variable K-map structure. In that 3 variable K-map structure, A, B, C. In this, here is 1 present, here is 1 present, here and here is 1 present. In that case, you have to adjust these boxes. This is the adjacent cells, leftmost and rightmost adjacent. This is the simplification for the Boolean expression using the K-map. This is based on the combining or grouping in terms of adjacent cells. And 2 cells of K-map is said to be adjacent. 2 cells of the K-map are said to be adjacent cells. This is known as the adjacent cell. If different only, if there are the position for that number of ones are the different, how do we adjust that cell? In this point we see. If here is 1 and here is 1, for these two number of ones we have to adjacent cells are 1. Means take one example, or take the one example. Here is a 1, here is a 1, and this and this is the same. Then which combination is possible? This is same, this is the position same. So for this and this one, these are the adjacent cell or adjacent boxes or combination. And for these two, here is 1 and here is 1, we have to combine it. If there is a 4 variable structure, in that 4 variable K-map structure, how to combine with adjacent cell? This is the science, this is the only for the practice. This is the practice. Actually we have to solve next point, how to solve the K-map, or how to combine the number of ones or group number of ones or adjacent ones. In this is the 1 this here is the 1. Then tell me how many top corresponding, how to adjust with cells. This is the same, this is the same, so adjacent ones are 1, top and bottom. This is the same, this is the same, so we have to adjust this number. In this 1 and 1 we have to adjust, because this one here is a not 1 present, this one not here is 1, but here and here 1 present, so we adjust that cell. So this top and bottom we have to adjust the corresponding adjacent cells. This is the how to adjust with cells, here we see. And way of grouping, if in that adjacent cells there are the in that K-map, this is the one K-map. In that K-map, here is 1 and all here is a 0. Take one practices. In that K-map, there are adjacent cells are 2. You have to grouping the number of adjacent ones are 2. There are the, in that group, there are the number of adjacent cells. There are the 2 number of ones. So that is called as a pairs. That is called as a pairs. A group of adjacent 2's or 0's. 1 for the logic SOP expression and 0 for the POS expression. You have to put the logic on a K-map as a 0 on a POS expression and a logic 1 for the SOP expression. If a group of 2 adjacent ones and zeros are called as a pair. If in that K-map structure there are the adjacent ones are here is 1 1 1 K-map. Adjacent ones are 4, so we are the grouping for this ones, and that group is called as a quad because there are the number of ones are present 4, so that is called as a quad. Here is also in a POS that logic is 0, so that also called as a quad. Octet means how in this K-map structure, this is a 4 variable K-map structure. In that 4 variable K-map structure, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. So we are grouping, this is the same position defined. So in that there are the number of ones are 8. Number of ones are 8 in a adjacent cells. So that is called as a octet. That is called as a octet. That is called as a octet. This is a octet because in that number of ones are present in that group are 8, so that is called as a octet. In SOP expression you have to here is a logic put 1, so this is a octet for SOP. And SOP also POS, number of ones are here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Then for POS expression on a K-map you have to put the logic 0, that also called as a octet. If number of ones in a K-map are 1 or 0, 1 or 0, 0 logic for POS, 1 or 0, then that is called as a pair. If number of adjacent ones are 4, then that called as a quad. If number of ones are 8 in that group, then that is called as a octet. This is the representation of a K-map on a SOP and POS expression. In next lecture, how to simplify or how to grouping the number of ones or adjacent ones in a different grouping, that is a octet, pair and quad we have to study, and how to simplify the K-map, that next lecture we study. Thank you.